Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency, Ma'am Farida as the lecturer in this class, and unforgettable all of my friends whom I love. This morning, our groups will presentation about Islamic civilization during the time of Umayyah. Before that, I wanna introduce our group's member. The first is Kumarok Roto Ain, the second is Francisca Sinta Estifani, and the third is Falah Yasin. Next. Introduction. Islam is a religion that carries a law related to religious values in accordance with the teachings of Allah SWT. Islamic leadership began as long as the time of the Prophet continued until the leadership of the Khulafa Rashidin. During the brackets, at the time, Islam has grown rapidly along with the expansion of the territory outside the Arab by Islam. After the period of Khulafa Rashidin, appeared the Umayyah and Abbasiyah. Next. History of Umayyah. After Khulafa Rashidin region ended, Islamic rule was continued by the Umayyah. The Umayyah were founded by a friend of the Quraysh tribe named Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan in 41 Hijriah or 661 Masehi until 132 Hijriah or 750 Masehi. Through the events of Tahkim, the name of this dynasty was given to Umayyah bin Abu Asham, the great-grandfather of the first caliph of the Umayyah, Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan. Next. Umayyah dynasty is divided into two, namely, first, Bani Umayyah founded by Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan, based in the Syrian city of Damascus, and the second, Bani Umayyah in Andalusia, Spain, which was originally an Umayyah conquered territory led by the governor in the time of Walid bin Abdul Malik. Next. The Umayyah period of rule, the almost teaches a country exactly 90 years, has been led by as many as 40 caliph. The first caliph in office was Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan, while the last caliph was Marwan bin Muhammad. The order of the caliph who served during the reign of Bani Umayyah is as follows. And you can see all of the caliph by Muawiyah. Next. The development of civilization during the Umayyah period. The Umayyah rule is Islamic civilization was already international, covering 3 continents such as parts of Europe, part of Africa, and most of Asia. Its population includes dozens of nations adhering to a variety of languages. All of it was united with Arabic as a unifying language and Arabic belief as the official state belief. During nearly a country of rule, the Umayyah have made many advances by the caliph in power at the time. And next. And for the tutorial expansion, will explain by Francisca Sinta. I please you.
Okay, thank you. For the next material, the territorial expansion. The reign of the popular Umayyad became an aggressive era where efforts to expand the territory and conquest were still since the second period of the last Khulafa Rashidin as an emphasis on his attention. Field of government. In terms of government administration, the Umayyad were several diwan or department consisting of, for the first, A. Diwan Rasail, B. Diwan Al-Haraj, C. Diwan Al-Barid, D. Diwan Al-Hattam, E. Diwan Mughlihat. The politic field of statehood. It is the time that Muawiyah is third by Muslim in the majority to spread Islam throughout the world. With this incident as well, Muawiyah's success in consolidating the domestic situation and after success in the country, when immediately held an expansion of the era. Economy. The, the prosperity of the Umayyad people was also seen during the reign of Umar ibn Abdul Aziz. Poverty and destitution have been overcome during the reign of this caliph. The policy carried out by Umar bin Abdul Aziz in the implication of using the economy is to make rules regarding do's and skulls, using the aim of eradicating counterfeiting and found in the use of the tools. Field of education and science. According to Georgi Zaidan, there were several advances made during the Umayyad period in the field of scientific development, including the following. For the first, development of Arabic. Second, Marbat as the center of science activities. C. Science Qira'ah. D. The science of commentary. E. Hadith science. F. Science fiqh. G. Nahwu science. H. Knowledge of that. A. Translation effort. Then I will return to the moderator.
Thank you for Francisca Sinta. And for the next, will be given to Falah Yasin. I please you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I will explain the next matter, Arabic language development. In addition to deciding Arabic as the official language of the kingdom to be a form of effort to make Arabic, Sa'ir in Arabic during the Umayyad Caliphate also developed. This is due to the many circulation and fanaticism against their respective groups, so that Sa'ir who praised his own group and Sa'ir who denounced his opponent. Next. System of government and politics during the Umayyad period. The government of Bani Umayyah is a government that has great authority, covering a very large area, starting from the land of Sin and the end of in the country of Spain. He is so strong that if one were to do so, he would thoroughly argue that the attempt to shake him up was not easy for anyone. The state political system implemented during the Umayyad rule was a cluster between Islamic system using the Persian Byzantium system. This combination turned out to bring progress to Islam, where it was an achievement that could be achieved by the Umayyad. And it can also be said The Umayyad can instill and blend Khawarimism and militarism in aspect of government. Next. The decline of the Umayyad. In times of power, the Umayyads made rapid progress. Only progress aside during the reign suffered a setback and until finally the power of the Umayyad collapsed caused by several factors. Some of the factors causing the decline of the Umayyad dynasty are A. The existence of opposition movements from supporters of Ali and Khawarij, both openly and closely. B. The system of replacing caliphs through lineage is something new to Arab tradition that emphasizes more aspects of seniority. C. There is an ethnic conflict between the tribes of Northern Arabia, Bani Qais, and Southern Arabia, Bani Khalid, which has been since the days before Islam, increasingly tapered. This dispute made it difficult from the Umayyad rulers to rally unity. D. The weakness and incompetence of some Umayyad caliphs in leading the government. They incorporated with a lavish, extravagant, drunken lifestyle and behavior that did not reflect a leader. E. The immediate cause of the overthrow of the Umayyad dynasty was the emergence of a new power, spearheaded by the descendants of Al-Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib. Next. Conclusion. The Umayyad were founded by the companions of the tribe of Quraysh. The Umayyad dynasty are divided into two, namely Umayyad Bani founded Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan and Bani Umayyah in Andalusia. And the Umayyad rule of Islamic civilization was split into three continents, part of Europe, partly Africa, mostly Asia. After nearly a century of rule, the Umayyad have made progress by the ruling caliph and expansion of territory. The field of government, the field of politics, the field of ownership, the field of economic, the field of education, the field of development. The Umayyad government was a government that had great authority. The state political system is a cluster between Islamic system using the Persian Byzantium system. The Umayyad experienced rapid progress aside during the reign suffered a setback and until finally the power of the Umayyad collapsed due to several factors. Next. Okay, I give back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all of the presentator and thanks for all of the audience. I hope we can get benefit from our presentation. I would apologize for my mistakes. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.